Hey, be sure you stay to the end of this video to see the virtual tour of this epic home that Kelly Construction built at 7308 East Twin Pines Court. You're going to want to share this with your friends. Thanks. Hey, it's David Shelton, broker at Century 21 Advantage, bringing you another episode of Real Value. Boy, it's been a crazy couple of weeks. The Fall Parade of Homes just wrapped up yesterday, and my goodness, over the 2 weekends, Saturday and Sunday, we actually opened an hour early the first Saturday. We had people already starting to line up, to drive up, wanting to see the home that we had on parade. Kelly Construction is a contractor, so appreciate being part of their team and bringing the value that we bring to the equation, ultimately to together combined to the lives of the people that are going to live in the homes that are created. So super cool, a lot of great takeaways. And so this is really going to be a debrief. A lot of people came to me saying, hey, David, last year when we saw each other at the other Parade of Homes, the other home, we thought that the market would be cooling off a little bit, but it hasn't. And that's a good observation if that's what you've seen, because it hasn't cooled off. As a matter of fact, people that are looking to downsize today, maybe they have a 5,000 or 6,000 square foot home, and they're looking at getting into something where everything would be on the main floor if they're looking at ranch style homes, and a lot of them are. They're looking to maybe sell their home, put a little bit of money in their pocket. This was the intention last year, and then enjoy a beautiful, fresh, brand new home to spend the rest of their days in. Well, now their home is appreciated. They didn't sell last year. Their home is appreciated now. It's worth more than it was last year, but so has the cost of new construction gone up, and in some cases significantly. So they're looking at, maybe instead of putting some money in their pocket, they're looking at maybe the difference between what they're selling their existing home for and what they're going to spend on the home of their dreams to spend the rest of their life in. So if you're listening to this and you weren't one of those 1,000 or so people that came through the last 2 weekends and you're contemplating that, maybe that'll resonate with you. We had first-time buyers looking in the $750,000 price range and above. Now, that might freak some of you out, but that's the reality of our marketplace. Two income household families, people moving here. One of them maybe just got a job offer here out of school in the medical field, making incredible money, approved for up to $1 million. Not that they want to spend up to $1 million, but that's what they're approved for. And that was more than one buyer. Some buyers that have bought a lot, and now today they've decided that the cost to build new construction custom home is too expensive. They're looking at what their lot is worth today versus what they paid for it. They're looking at selling their lot today and then buying a new home from us. That's just another example of what's happening. And a lot of people are looking for their kids that are now coming back home as well. Oh my goodness. That was overwhelmingly either looking for a child or looking for that was moving back with their family, or a niece or a nephew that are moving back to Sioux Falls. And so we got a lot, and then we had, of course, the people that are going to finally do their lake home, or finally do do a remodel on their deck. And boy, the deck at 7308 East Twin Pines Court, if you haven't seen the deck, you're going to see it in this video. It's outrageous. It's so cool. It's a showstopper. And just all the other design elements. Stephanie Vostad, she is a rock star of design. I cannot say enough about her. every home that she touches is just magnificent. And people are really, there's a sense of comfort and calm that even though we were packed, sometimes it was shoulder to shoulder walking through and having to kind of move sideways to let the people pass in this parade of homes. But it was all smiles on our faces and just enjoying the moment. Stephanie joined us there yesterday, but man, oh man, her touch, Kelly Construction, the finishes team, the design team, the rough framing team, all of the people that are various trades that supply materials, supply products, that are labor, they're just absolutely incredible. And as we introduce this home to you, so that you can see what these 1,000+ people saw over the last 2 weekends. We want you to enjoy it. Tell your friends about it. Share and like this video. There is no reason to keep this all to yourself. Just have fun with it. Share it on Facebook. Like it, share it on Facebook, and encourage your friends to do the same as well. Because somebody that you know, and somebody that knows the person that you're sharing it with, and so on, is likely to be someone who could really benefit from the new homes we're building with Kelly Construction that we're representing, Century 21 Sioux Falls. Come check it out. We've got links to the Kelly Construction page, the other homes that are being built as well. Some of them are not priced yet, but construction is underway. So be sure to think large. If you've got a home to sell, you need a strategy, you need a strategist. We are that strategist that can help you get the most out of your home, time your sale, time your purchase, and all just right, so that we can take a lot of the angst out of the home selling, home buying process. We appreciate you. Thank you for watching Real Value. Facebook every Friday at 1 p.m. on YouTube every Monday at 1 p.m. Tell your friends. Be part of this great voice that's going out, bringing people real value consistently. Thank you.